Japanese-style potato salad. A side dish from Japan. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Boil unpeeled potatoes. Cut cumber lengthwise, remove seeds, cut into thin slices and place in bowl. Add salt. Step 2. Cut onion in thin slices and soak in cold water and set aside. Step 3. Remove skins from cooked potatoes and cut potatoes lengthwise into pieces 1 inch wide. Step 4. Drain cucumber and onions. Step 5. Place all ingredients into large bowl and mix well. Step 6. Adding apple slices will surprise your taste buds. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.